This is Tirupati working as a web developer in Codeplexes, and today I am going to show you how to use Outlook. Okay, open the Google Chrome browser and type as outlook.office365.com and type your mail ID and click on next and type the password and click on stay sign in yes, and Outlook mail ID box will be open, mailbox will be open. Here this is a mailbox and you can find here sign out option and basic details of yours. You can view account details and open another mailbox, and here you can see what's new, help, settings, notifications, and my day. My day means the task which you are going to do today, and this is note on note feed, and this one is chat box. Whenever you click on the chat, Microsoft Teams will be opened. Okay, in that you can chat with your colleagues. You can click on the get the window app. Okay, it is downloading and you can install it into your window. Okay, let it be downloaded. It's downloaded. Click on that. Click on run. It's taking time to run. Okay, let it be installed. It's installing Microsoft Teams. Okay, let it be installed. We will see another one. And here this is app launcher. Okay, in this app launcher you will find Microsoft Office apps. All apps will be shown here. Okay, now it is loaded. Teams. Here you can see activities, charts, teams, calendar, calls, files, and here you can find the apps which are there in a Microsoft 365 cloud. Okay, you can install this. And here Microsoft Office, Outlook. Okay, whenever we click on that, it will show you the inbox again. And here I want to show you how to upload the files and how to see the files on OneDrive. Here whenever we click on the OneDrive, it will open this screen. Okay, here you will find my files, recent files, shared files, and recycle bin which are deleted from your drive, and shared libraries. I am the part of Digital Media Library and Codeplexes Limited. Okay, here I am going to show you how to create a folder. Just click on the new button. It will show you some options: creating a folder and creating a Word document, a workbook, Excel workbook, PowerPoint presentation, okay, and so on. Here I am going to create a folder, new folder, and the folder name is Digital Media, and click on the create button. The folder is created. Okay, to open that folder, just click on that one. The folder is empty. Why? Because just now I have created. And click on the new button and select Word. Here I am going to create Word document. Here just I am writing something and saving it. it is saved, or you can click on the file option and save as, save, and you can give the name, any name as per the file, and it is stored in digital media. Recently I have created the folder and click on save. Okay, let me check whether it is saved or not. Refresh it. Okay, it is saved, digital, the file name. First I have created one file, and the file is document.dox, and this is the renamed file. Here, like that, we can create Excel worksheet, presentations and everything, and we can create links also. And next option is upload. Whenever we click on the upload, you will get two options, file and folder. From your local desktop computer, you can upload the files to Microsoft 365 cloud. Okay, here I am going to store one file. You can select any file. Here I am going to select this book file. Open, click on open. After selecting, click on open, and the file is stored into digital media. And if you want to store directly folders, we can store the folders directly. Just click on the folders option, and you can select any folder which you want to store. Just I am using new folder, and click on upload option. Okay, it is asking us upload file to the site, this site. Click on upload. It's taking time. It is uploaded, and here we can share the files and folders. Here I have selected the digital media and book 2. I want to download it. Just click on the download. After selecting the multiple files, you can click it on the download option, or you can use delete to delete the, or you can use move to move, or you can use copy. Okay, here I want to share one file. We can't share multiple files at a time. One by one we can share, and here I want to share one file. Okay, select the file which you want to share and click on the share option, and enter the name or email ID to which you want to share. Here I want to share this file with Arvind, and click on send. It's okay. The file link has been sent to Arvind, and you can copy the link, and like that also you can download, or you can rename it. Here I want to rename it. I want to make it a media. Okay, rename it. The file is renamed. Okay, and okay, and next one, I want to synchronize directly from our desktop to Microsoft 365 cloud. Just click on the synchronize option. Okay, already synchronized. I have done setup. Here, these are the local files which are there in a desktop, and whenever you save something or do something or create a folder or a file, that folders or files are automatically synchronized to Microsoft 365 cloud. Here I want to create one file. The file name is Tirupati, and whether it is synchronized or not, we can check it. Close it. The file is synchronized here. Okay, directly, or you can save from your desktop directly also. While you are working on it, just open the desktop, my documents. In that you will find OneDrive, and which I am working on it, Codeplexus Limited, and you can create folders. Testing, just I am testing, just I have given testing whether it is synchronized or not, we can check it. Testing folder has created. Okay, and from here also we'll check once. You can create a file. And the file is saved. See, the file is saved, and we can see from our desktop also. In testing, before there is no file, now it is one file is created. Okay, this is completely on OneDrive, and you can use SharePoint option by clicking the app launcher. You can get a SharePoint option in that. Okay, and open. Okay, this is the SharePoint, and here you can share, you can create a site, you can create a new post, or you can create. I am related to Digital Media and Codeplexes Limited. See, all the shared documents are shown here: Teams, conversations, documents, notebook, pages, site content, and recycle bin, which you have deleted. Those are moved into the recycle bin. And here I want to see the documents which are related to digital media. Just click on the documents. You will find the documents which are related to the digital media team. And if you want to see the documents which are related to Codeplexes Limited, just click on the Codeplexes and click on. These are the related to Codeplexes team. Get back. And here you can find all apps which are related to Microsoft 365. These all are the apps related to Microsoft. If you want to explore all apps, you can click on the explore button, and you can see all the apps which are related to Microsoft 365. You can see, or you can use from here also. These are Microsoft 365 apps, and all apps, and tips and tricks also you can get it. Just I am getting back to my location. Outlook. Recent files. If you have worked recently, those all files are displayed here. And shared files. If you have get shared files, you can get in the shared option. If you have deleted any files, you can get in the recycle bin. Okay. Thanks. I am signing out. Please do share and subscribe our videos. Thank you.